Scientific breakthroughs of the past year would not have been possible without the pioneering work stretching back decades by the experts on today's panel, along with their colleagues at Vanderbilt and at other leading research universities.
We have created an environment here that has really supported and favored fundamental investigation. Supporting a person who comes and works on a mouse coronavirus when it didn't even cause human disease. And that I think that the fundamental science really prepares us for these discoveries were already, whether it was antivirals or vaccines, we knew everything about how to do it at the time this occurred.
As soon as this goes off the media, people forget about how horrible and terrifying and devastating these events have been. And then they stop caring as much about the planning for the future. And so I hope that after going through this, especially with the loss of life and disruption, that we can remember that we need to prepare for these things in the future and have sustained funding and support for this kind of work going forward.
We have to have science and public health driven investments. And that means investments that it's not obvious that, you're going to be able to sell a vaccine at the end, that it's not obvious. And that's where really these investments in science and the investments in funding come in.
It's been my profound honor to help advance our mission for education excellence and societal impact, which is what fuels the remarkable breakthroughs like those we've discussed today, and which promises to continually take us to new heights of enabling human potential.